Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking for Kids. Today we're going to make these sour candy frozen grapes. So you will need 2 cups of green grapes, 1/3 cup of Monk Fruit Sweetener, 1 lime, parchment paper, a large plate or baking dish, and a large bowl. First we're going to start by covering the plate with parchment paper. Make sure to clean and dry your grapes. Then we're going to put them in a large bowl and squeeze out the lime. Using a spoon, we're gonna mix it and allow it to sit in the fridge for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes are over, we're gonna transfer it to the Monk Fruit Sweetener into a medium bowl. Remove the grapes from the fridge and roll each one in the monk fruit, making sure each grape is completely coated. Once they're completely coated, you're gonna move the grapes to the parchment paper and freeze for 2 to 3 hours. You can repeat this process once again if you like it a little bit more on the sour side. Enjoy the sour candy frozen grapes!